Experience a whole new level of performance for your professional workflows. The Z2 Tower Workstation is engineered to run multi-threaded apps seamlessly. For fast rendering, simulation, and now real-time ray tracing. Unleash the power of professional graphics and Intel Core K-series processors on intensive multi-threaded applications. This workstation is designed for zero throttling, so you can perform processor-intensive tasks without overheating or slowdowns. And when your demands change, you'll find impressive potential for expandability. Want to upgrade graphics? Increase memory or storage? Add specialized PCIe cards? Go for it. With room to expand and toolless access, you can easily add and upgrade components as your needs evolve. The Z2 Tower Workstation is an investment that will last for years, and it's built to endure. It sustained hundreds of thousands of hours of rigorous testing, and it's certified for professional applications. And with HP Wolf Security for Business, it's protected below, in, and above the operating system. Get professional power for demanding workloads with the HP Z2 Tower Workstation.